Alright guys, today we are going to do a recoil on a stihl ts420 concrete saw. All the parts will be in the description below. Just click the links. Any special tools that I'll need, but I don't think I'll need any special tools today. Will also be there. If this helps you out in any way, shape, or form, click that subscribe button. Alright, let's get on into it. Alright, so first it's 13 millimeter. I'm going to take off the, see, this thing's not doing nothing here. So we're going to take off the 13 millimeters. There's 3 of them. Take those off. Then we're going to remove the recoil. Just pulls right off. Alright, so the pawl is being held in by the rope. The rope is worn through, worn right through this thing. Screwed. So normally you would get a new pulley and a new pawl, but since those are as much as a new recoil, we just went and got a brand new recoil. I'm going to put this in the description below. I use these all the time. They work fine. I've had no issue with them. So they're super cheap on Amazon. Slides right in place. I need 2 hands. Right in place. And then the 3 13 millimeter bolts. This guy was missing one of them, the bottom one. So I'll have to get that. The only problem with this one is that it doesn't have the model number right there. The only problem I've seen with these is that the model numbers are not right there. They're actually a little bit bigger around. See, a little bit bigger around, a little bit, you know, almost heavier built, I'd say, than the original one. But yeah, 3 13 millimeters, tighten them down. I just go ahead and write down the model number in my best stihl handwriting. And that's it, guys. Alright, I just got to find that one last bolt, that's all. If this helped you out in any way, shape, or form, give me that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I'll put the recoil in the description below. You'll be amazed how cheap it is. Yeah, if you want to do any advertising on my channel, message me. I'll be more than happy to have you. Peace.